Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 72 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. So this is a sample that I got from Ulta and it's kind of tricky, I feel like, to find where you select to get samples when you make an Ulta online purchase, because you don't do it when you check out, you do it like in your shopping cart. And I chose the variety samples and I got this as part of the variety. I have this in the shade Santa Fe Medium 2. So the full-size version of this foundation retails for $49 at Ulta. They have a pretty good shade range. I saw 20 shades available on Ulta.com. It claims to be 16-hour wear, full coverage, to have a soft matte finish, and it's oil-free. On Ulta, it had 4 out of 5 stars. I feel like there is hardly anything in this little sample, but I think one drop should go a long way. So let's give it a shot. Yeah, so it's very runny and liquidy when I put it on my hand. I'm gonna apply it with my beauty blender. I forgot to mention that I did already prime my face using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Wow, I was able to cover my whole face and I only used a tiny bit of foundation. I think I still have a little bit left in here, and it really does go a long way because there's so much pigment and it's very liquidy and runny, so you can blend it all over pretty easily. I do want to see if I can build up the coverage a little bit on my cheeks where I can still see some redness peeking through. Wow, I really can't believe how just a tiny bit goes such a long way. I ended up having probably enough to do 2 full coverage, full face foundation applications with just this tiny little sample, which actually the sample says that it's 0.03 ounces. And this is definitely full coverage. I was definitely able to build it up where I wanted to add some extra coverage, and it definitely looks like a soft matte finish. But best of all, it really feels like I have nothing on my skin. It really is weightless, and my face just feels like skin. It blended out so nicely. It looks so smooth and even. I will say that it does seem to crease a little bit, like under my eyes. I'm seeing it creasing, so I'd want to make sure to set it with powder in the places that I tend to have creasing. That medium shade is probably a bit too dark for me right now though. Doesn't necessarily match my neck too well. But yeah, I definitely like this foundation. I've heard a lot of people really like the NARS foundations, and this is my first time trying a NARS foundation, and it did live up to my expectations. Even though it's expensive, I think you get your money's worth out of how much use you get out of a bottle, since you only need like a tiny bit to do a full coverage face. I also like how smooth it looks on my skin and how it's not emphasizing my pores at all. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation and if you like it as well. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see all of the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.